Welcome to Pirate Cooks, pirating restaurant recipes at home. You don't get good biscuits in the North. Southerners have been saying that for generations. Conversely, you don't find the kind of chewy, hearty breads that are northern staples down south. It's not a matter of culinary skill, it's the flour. Well, there's a lot of focus among cooks when it comes to a flour's protein content. What really separates the breads of the North and South is the type of wheat grown. In the North, we grow hard winter wheat, while in the South, they grow what's more fit to grow there, soft winter wheat. If you live where I do, around Chicago, a strange thing happened a few years back. We began seeing southern flour, such as White Lily, show up in our store shelves, where normally we would see national brands like Gold Medal or Pillsbury's Best. For whatever shortage or reason they're shipping flour this far, be grateful. It's a chance to experience real southern biscuits up north. The classic recipe is shockingly simple. 2 cups of self-rising flour, a half a stick of cold butter, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 a cup of buttermilk. We want the milk and butter to be ice cold. Just like making a pie crust, we're not looking to incorporate the butter. We want to break it down to about the size of peas with a dough blender tool so it'll create layers in the biscuits. Now add the buttermilk and stir it into a shaggy dough. Flour your hands and work area and knead for about a minute or so till it all comes together. Pat it down to about 3/4 of an inch thick and cut out your biscuits. Just push straight down with the cutter. Don't twist it. That'll seal the edges and prevent it from rising in the oven. Now do something entirely counterintuitive and pan these close together. We don't want them to spread out. We want them to fluff up. Don't worry if a couple stick together. They'll peel apart easily when they're done. A big key to fluffy biscuits is keeping the dough cold, so I'm going to pop these in the fridge for 10 or 15 minutes before they go into the oven. That will harden the butter and allow the gluten to relax to give us a better rise. Now pull them out and brush the tops with a bit more butter and into a 425-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. This gives us enough time to sort out some country gravy. Start by browning half a pound of your favorite breakfast sausage. Once it's done, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Melt that down and add 4 tablespoons of flour. No need to transfer things around, just make the roux right over the sausage. Just move it around a minute or two to cook off the raw flour taste. Now we add 2 cups of milk, stir it and scrape up any brown bits on the bottom of the pan, and then bring it to a boil to thicken it. Give it a taste and add salt and pepper to your liking. Pull out your biscuits. If you're worried about the bottoms browning too far, give them a flip like this. Once again, I'm using a convection oven, so these results aren't typical. They'll rise a good bit more in a normal oven. Place over your gravy, and you have some of the best southern comfort food at home. As always, hit the subscribe and little bell so you know when we do the next cool thing. Recipe below and on the website. See you next time.